And he's all that dust. Look at that. Look at that.
Spitting out the wood. Boy, that is a perfect hole, isn't it?
It's beautiful. Yes. Hi.
Over here.
I see it, but I don't see anybody in it.
Yeah, he's,
Well, he's there right now.
Oh, then I'm looking at the wrong.
yeah, come over here.
I see a hole.
He's like, who are these people, uninvited guests, looking at my house?
Branch goes up, kind of curves.
This house is
Toward
taken.
the top third of that is a
It's all yours, buddy.
new hole.
Work on it.
Head peeking out.
Do you need some water, some rest?
Come a little bit more to your left.
He was so busy throwing all the dust.
You're not seeing his head?
Do you need soft feathers? My dog has been donating his hair during nesting season. And I see his hair woven in all the nests in my backyard. So cool. Oh, how adorable are you? Oh, he's looking at us. He's like, who are these uninvited guests?
That's my face.
Yes.
His head is right there. You can see the white of his